Robert Brown FRSE FRSFLSMWS was a Scottish botanist and paleobotanist who made important contributions to botany largely through his pioneering use of the microscope. His contributions include one of the earliest detailed descriptions of the cell nucleus and cytoplasmic streaming, the observation of Brownian motion, early work on plant pollination and fertilisation, including being the first to recognize the fundamental difference between gymnosperms and angiosperms, and some of the earliest studies in palynology. He also made numerous contributions to plant taxonomy, notably erecting a number of plant families that are still accepted today, and numerous Australian plant genera and species, the fruit of his exploration of that continent with Matthew Flinders. Brown was born in Montrose on 21 December 1773 in a house that existed on the site where Montrose Library currently stands. He was the son of James Brown, a minister in the Scottish Episcopal Church with Jacobite convictions so strong that in 1788 he defied his church's decision to give allegiance to George III. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.